Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As you can tell by the title, we're going to be taking down the Christmas stuff. I don't know if I'm going to decorate for Valentine's Day yet, but we're going to take down this Christmas stuff.
you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. Without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me. And I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me. Then it all remains the same, that you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby, and though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, and though my heart can't take no more, no more.
Robinhood Gold can unlock your money's potential. Take your money to the next level and get a
Something about the way that you talk to me, even when you're not around, I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Yeah, yeah, 'cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. Find someone like you. Baby, I want this to last forever. Oh yeah. So baby, I want this. Can we make this last forever? Oh yes. Ooh, 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 ooh.
We can't just be talking about it. I want you from inside it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy.
As you can tell, I'm trying to nurse myself back to good health.
I know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild.
What have you become? What if I know that's what you've been? I was blind, I was in it, I was right. Oh, I can't believe I faced you. You know your mama ain't raised you like that. Look at your behavior, that's what she is ashamed of you. Damn, look at what you become. Matter of fact, what you've been. I was jealous, like I was just so in it. I was just so committed. No, I don't regret it. I learned what love is once I let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go. But you doing too much and you don't let go. And I know you when you try to hold on to my attention. Won't you let it go? Let it go, let it go, let it go. Hey, yeah, 'cause you doing too much and you try too hard, trying to get a reaction. I am a child, yeah. So I cannot be touched. Yeah, so you be good and you want it bad and you need it. I don't wanna be feeling dead, so I said that I was needed. I thought you would be real, I thought you would be right. Talking all that tough shit, you think you gon' go down. Let it do that. Let it do that. But all I really know is, let it go. Let it go. Oh, 'cause you want too much, oh, let go. Oh, I know, it's right.
So guys, apparently we supposed to be getting some snow in Texas, 12 to some inches. So I'm about to run to the store and we're about to go get a whole bunch of firewood, starters, the fire logs. Cause yeah, I'm about to go get that. Y'all gonna come with me, I'm gonna come back and just chill. So buckle up.